Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Out here with Casey Cato all the way from York, South Carolina, Clover, my old stomping grounds. We love Rock Hill, South Carolina, and all the boys down there. He's getting himself a 32 by 36 building kit, and you can see he's got everything loaded up, all his metal roofing, ridge cap, screws, gable trim, 6x6 posts is the whole kit. He's got leans, the boys across the street there, they've got those loaded up. He's coming off each side, so he's going to have 14-foot leans off each side. So you can figure for less than $5 a square foot for everything to put it on the roof. That's going to be all your 6x6 posts, and we got 18-footers on here because he's going a little bit higher in the center, and then he's going lower on his leans coming off each side. But that's everything to put it on the roof. And we do complete building kits. We ship nationwide, so give us a call at 828-413-4201 or visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com. God bless you.